2, 3, 4. Okay, this is another guitar tutorial. Another song from Foo Fighters, yung Big Me. Ang alam ko yun yung yun yung soundtrack ng Mentos Fresh Maker nung araw sa commercial. So sila atang nagtugtog. Okay, so let's go. Yung tuning is standard E. And then yung chord progression niya is C, this one, A3, D2, open G, and then B1. Tapos we will be using your pinky dito sa E3. Like this one. And the next chord would be A minor. D, open A, D2, G2, and then B1. Tapos, andun pa rin yung pinky mo. E3. So, ulit. The next chord would be G. G major, G add 9. And then F. Kung hindi kaya sa bar, pwede naman dito. Kung medyo nahihirapan yun sa mga beginners sa bar chords. This is F. Pwede naman dito. So, ulit. Next chord, parang pre-chorus ata yun, which is E, A2, D2, and then this one, G1. And the next chord would be F, tapos C, same ulit dun sa C na pattern, pinky nasa E3. And then, yung pinky mo, i-move mo lang dito sa G3. Ano ito? Magiging siya, 7, C7. Ulit. And then yung next nun is ganoon pa rin E. Mag-stay ka sa F. So yung una E, F, C, 7. Yung pangalawa, the second one is E, F, F pa rin, and then G. Yun lang, yun lang yung chord progression nun. So, medyo madali siya. And then, pwede rin sa beginners to play that song. So, that's it. So, yun lang yung guitar tutorial ko for Big Me ng Foo Fighters. So, again, don't forget to follow me sa Facebook and then sa YouTube ko din na Jong TV 360. Thank you very much guys, and then see you next time. Bye bye.